Hey, what's up guys? I do hope you are all having a great day. It's your boy Jay, the marauder, back again with another video. In today's video, we are going to be replacing one quick and easy thing on the Marauder that's been needing to be swapped out for a long time, and the front brake light switch. And the story behind this is I didn't know that it needed to be replaced, and I went to do my road test, and the examiner had all the right to not give me the test because the brake lights would not engage with the front brake, but she allowed me to, since the rear brake would still work with the lights. So I really wanted to thank her for that, because she had all the right to not allow me to do the test, but she did, and I passed. And if I didn't pass, I would have to redo the whole licensing thing all over again. This is something I should have seen and noticed before going to my road test, but I neglected it. And it's been about almost a year since, I'd say. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's almost like a year. And I had this in my room for the last like 5 to 6 months. I just haven't gotten around to do it, but I have time today, so I'm going to do it. So anyways, the easiest way to do this is right underneath there. There's just one screw holding it in, I believe. You need to pop that open, remove the cables for it, screw on the new one, and that's pretty much it. So I just removed the one screw and it popped right out. Then you remove the clips and put on the new one. And lo and behold, I figured out why it wouldn't work. If you look on this one, the brake switch, the actual switch piece of it, I think it broke off a little bit. If you compare it to this one, it's a bit longer. So that might be the reason why the brake's not engaging as much. Alright, so I have the new one in, and I'm pretty sure that was the issue, that the actual switch piece of this one broke off. I guess because it was so old, so it wouldn't engage the brake. Put that in, start it up. Well, have the power on. Last thing to look is to pull the lever and check. So check that. There we go, it's working. There it is. That was a quick and easy fix. And there you guys go. That's fixed the front brake switch on the Marauder, and the bike is now safe again to use. Now on your bikes it might be a bit different, because it's most likely not a Marauder, but if it is, this thing is quick and easy to fix. I'm pretty sure on a Harley it's a bit more difficult, but on the most Japanese cruisers I think it's just a screw or two and that's it, and the bike's back to normal again. Alright, I'm going to end today's video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I know it's real quick and it's just one screw and a switch, but this thing is a matter of your safety. So if you guys have any issues with your brakes, with the lights not engaging or anything, be sure to get that fixed quickly. Don't be like me and wait like 5 or 6 months, because I still have the rear brake that still work with the lights. So do what you gotta do. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did find it helpful, or if you guys just enjoyed seeing my video, consider dropping a like and a sub and leaving a comment down below, so I know you guys do enjoy these videos and I'll keep on making them. So with that, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you all in the next one. See ya.